Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to put a clickable link on your TikTok bio using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app. Go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And you need to make sure that you are on your business account, TikTok account, okay? So to do that, you want to click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Settings and Privacy. Now click on Account. And here you should see Switch to Business or a business account, okay? So I already on my business account, so as you can see I have this switch to personal account, okay? So once you've done that, you want to click on edit profile. Now you should see the website section right here, okay? But for example, you want to add your Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter account, you can just go ahead and scroll down till you see the social section. So as you can see, I already have my YouTube account right here. So for example, you want to add your Instagram, so just go ahead and click on that. Now just go ahead and log in your Instagram account. So that's it. That is how you put a clickable link in your TikTok bio. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.